Hey everyone, there's nothing like the smell of gingerbread during the holidays. Let's get frosting.
Knead the icing for 1 to 2 minutes, bringing it to room temperature. Lay out house pieces on the table with the front and back panels facing down. Attach roof panels to house and hold in place for 1 minute. Put the Easy Build roof holder in place and wait 15 minutes prior to decorating your house. Now it's time to have some fun. Let's get decorated. Put a heavy amount of icing around the roof edging to make it look like melted snow. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye!